Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated tech launches of 2024, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This upcoming drone has been generating a lot of excitement, and it's easy to see why. With a range of rumored upgrades and features, it's poised to revolutionize the world of aerial photography and videography. Larger sensor. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor. This would be a massive improvement over previous models, offering superior image quality, especially in low-light environments. A larger sensor allows for more detailed, crisp shots, even when lighting conditions aren't ideal. Think of the possibilities for nighttime shooting or capturing those early morning moments in stunning detail. Extended flight time. The extended flight time of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is another feature-generating buzz. Rumor has it that this drone could fly for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. This means more time in the air to capture the perfect shots without the stress of constantly swapping batteries. Whether you're filming vast landscapes or tracking moving subjects, the increased flight time offers more opportunities to get the ideal footage without interruption. Improved obstacle sensing. Safety is paramount when flying drones, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to come equipped with an improved omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. This feature will make it safer to navigate through complex environments like dense forests or crowded urban areas. The advanced sensors will detect obstacles from all directions, ensuring smoother, safer flights, so you can focus on capturing amazing visuals without worrying about potential hazards. Advanced tracking and AI modes. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to elevate its tracking and AI-assisted cinematic modes. The drone will likely have more responsive tracking, allowing it to follow subjects with enhanced precision and stability. AI modes will also help automate complex shots, making it easier for users, whether beginners or pros, to create professional-level footage effortlessly. These intelligent features will expand the creative possibilities for content creators. Lightweight design. Despite these cutting-edge upgrades, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to retain its lightweight design, weighing under 250 grams. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry, while also helping users avoid strict regulatory restrictions in many regions. The balance of advanced features and a lightweight, compact design makes the Mini 5 Pro an excellent choice for both casual users and professionals alike. Pricing. As for the price, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be in the same range as the Mini 4 Pro, which means we could see a price tag of around $849 to $899. This positions the Mini 5 Pro as a premium yet accessible option, offering top-tier performance and advanced features at a competitive price. For drone enthusiasts and professionals looking for cutting-edge technology without overspending, the Mini 5 Pro promises excellent value. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major player in the drone market, offering a larger sensor, longer flight time, improved obstacle sensing, advanced tracking, and a lightweight design. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this drone is packed with features that promise to enhance your aerial photography and videography experience. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and reviews on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other exciting tech.